We're talking with Marie-Hélène Prémont after the second round of the 2009 World Cup here in Offenburg. Marie-Hélène, we think you finished about 14th.
Okay, 14th.
14th. So tell me, I mean, you obviously had a very poor start position. How much of an impact was that?
Yeah, it was very bad at the start. The first two laps I was just behind girl and trying to pass, but it was very hard to pass, so it just completely killed me to have to try to catch people at the front. And I used to have very good start and very fast start, and usually this is where I take time in the race, and now I couldn't do that. So
do you think that's partially because it's your first race of the year and you're still sort of building up, or?
For sure, I knew I wasn't in the best shape. I knew it because I'm a little bit tired from the winter and all the school. But I think that the start very didn't help me because there were two crash just in front of me, and I had to stop 2 times, and after that I was just behind girl and trying to pass, but people was going faster to not letting me pass. So but I think next week I will have a better start and a better position, and it should be better. I will have good rest this week.
So how do you feel about your overall condition? Because I mean, not having raced, you maybe wouldn't be so sure.
Yeah.
How do you feel about your fitness? Do you feel it's where you should be?
Yeah, I think I just have to have good rest. I had a very crazy winter, so I have to have good rest, and I think that my shape would go up in the summer.
Okay. Now Emily Batty came up, joined you for a while, and then went ahead. Were you surprised to see Emily come up behind you like that?
She was riding very well, and yes, I was surprised, but I'm really happy for her. I don't know if she catch many girls at the front.
She finished 9th.
Oh, good for her.
And we think top U23.
Oh, good, yeah, because she was riding very well, so she was in good form today. I'm really happy for her.
Okay, so good rest, and then Houffalize.
Yeah, try to be better.
Thank you.
Thanks. Ça a été une course où est-ce que le départ n'a pas été facile. J'étais à 52 au départ, donc c'était difficile de passer en avant. Puis il y a eu 2 chutes devant moi. Il y avait 6 tours. Les 2 premiers tours, j'étais complètement pris en arrière des autres filles, donc je ne pouvais pas passer à côté. Ça a été vraiment un début de course difficile. Puis habituellement, c'est là que je prends mon temps là, sur les 2 premiers tours, là, où est-ce que j'ai des bons départs. Là, je ne pouvais pas prendre ce temps-là, donc ça n'a pas été une course facile. Puis c'est sûr que je savais que j'étais un petit peu fatiguée avec tout l'hiver que j'ai eu à l'école, donc je pense que cette semaine je vais avoir une bonne semaine de repos, puis la semaine prochaine ça devrait juste être meilleur.
Merci.
Merci.